In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use Asana, one of the most popular project management tools. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to streamline your workflow with Asana and get started quickly. First off, Asana is perfect for organizing tasks and projects, whether you're working solo or managing a team. You can use it completely for free from the first link below with exclusive bonuses. So let's dive right into how you can start using Asana efficiently. The first thing you'll want to do is create a project. It's simple. From the Asana dashboard, click on the Plus New Project button. Choose whether you want to start with a blank project or use a template. Templates are great if you're new to project management, as they give you a head start by organizing tasks for you. Next thing, tasks are at the heart of Asana. You can add a task by clicking on the Plus New Task button. A task can be anything from sending an email to launching a product. Once a task is created, you can add details, due dates, assignees, and even attach files. Don't forget to break large tasks into smaller subtasks for easier tracking. The third thing to focus on is organizing your tasks. You'll notice that you can create sections and columns to arrange your tasks. This is great for keeping track of stages in a project, like to do, in progress, and completed. You can also view tasks as a list or in a visual board layout, whichever you prefer. The fourth thing Asana does well is collaboration. You can easily assign tasks to team members, add comments, and communicate directly within the platform. This keeps all your project discussions in one place. It's especially helpful when managing remote teams or juggling multiple projects at once. The fifth thing is setting up milestones. Milestones are key for tracking progress toward larger goals. You can create milestones by marking tasks with a special symbol to signify important points in your project timeline. This helps you and your team stay on track and celebrate those big wins along the way. And the sixth thing I'll mention is tracking your project progress. Asana's reporting features allow you to visualize how your tasks are progressing. You can use charts, dashboards, and project overviews to ensure you're hitting your deadlines and working efficiently. Finally, if you're looking for an extended free trial of Asana, be sure to check out the link below. It will give you access to Asana's premium features for a limited time, allowing you to get the full experience without any cost upfront. In conclusion, using Asana can help you stay organized, collaborate better, and track your progress, whether you're working alone or with a team. So if you want to see how Asana works and get started with a free trial, be sure to grab the link below. Thanks for watching!